ja drugi si. Ko vas ne vem.
Hurricane Apart Road, may I help you?
Do you have a Bosnian instruction?
Excuse me?
I need a Bosnian instruction.
Excuse me?
Understand me.
What?
Do you understand?
What?
Do you understand me?
Yeah, what is it you need?
A Bosnian instruction. Bosnian talking language, somebody I need.
I'm sorry, I'm not understanding. What is it you need?
I need a Bosnian instruction.
Hold on. I'm sorry, can you say that one more time for me?
A Bosnian interpretation.
An interpretation?
Yeah.
Was it, do you mean like for Spanish?
No, Bosnian.
I don't understand what you're saying exactly. I know you said something about interpretation, but
Bosnian.
Bosnian.
Yeah.
No one here speaks Bosnian.
Oh, I need help. I call my friend. I call back.
Okay.
My friend very good speak. I'm sorry for you troubling.
Oh, no problem. I'm sorry we don't understand you.
I live 2 months America. I love it.
Oh, well, that's good.
My friend very good speak 10 year.
English.
Yeah, English.
Yeah.
Okay, sorry for trouble.
Oh, it's fine.
Bye.
Bye.
What's her name?